This is a tutorial to set up teacher goals in Protraxx. To begin, on any of the school websites, if you hover over the Staff tab, you'll find the link to Protraxx. So I'm going to select that. Once you're here, you'll go to the Login button, put in your user information, and it should bring you to this screen. From here, you're going to go to Teacher Processes, and you're going to select My Goal Plans. Here, yours should look something similar to this. You're going to say View Goal Plan, and then create a new goal. This will bring you to an informational screen, and you will then select the type of goal that you want to enter. I'm going to choose an SLO. Once you're here, you're going to select your school. I believe this will be auto-populated, but if not, you will select your school, your grade levels. You do need to select a content area. So for me, obviously, it would be technology education. The number of students that you are teaching, and then the number of students that would be covered by this SLO. It will auto-figure the percentage here. Once done, you're going to select your baseline data. So are you going to use NWEA scores? Are you going to use assessments, previous report cards, other information? Once you've selected what you will be using, you can select more than one. You're going to enter all of the information that it asks for. And I found out the hard way, it does not accept your plan if you have left anything empty. Once you've completed all of the fields that are required here, you're going to say Save Goal, and it will bring you back to this page. So from here, you can review what you answered in any of the required questions and descriptions. You can update your goal information if you would like, which will then bring it back up so that you could edit anything you have here. If you choose to edit, once you're done, you're going to say Save. And then you're going to go back. If you are happy with what you have entered there, you're going to go back to the View My Goal Plan. Once you're here, you'll see your goal is now listed. If you'd like to add another goal or another SLO, you would go ahead and say Create New Goal and follow the steps that we just went through. If you're all set with everything you have here and you're ready to submit, you are able to submit a comment so that the person will see what your comment may be. Maybe if you have a question or you'd like to set up a meeting. And then once you're ready, you would choose Submit this plan for approval. Once you have submitted for approval, you will still be able to view your SLO information, but the edit and update functionality will not be available unless your evaluator returns your SLO for revisions.